So I went to the Nike employee store the other day and I kind of went a little bit crazy, but maybe for a good reason. I guess find out in this video. What is going on, guys? HesKicks here, and you can check out my website, collectivekicks.com, if you guys want to scour through what I've posted through the week and see what my top sneaker deals have been. In this video, I wanted to show you guys what I picked up from the Nike employee store. I kind of went crazy when I went to the employee store this time, but I think that I ended up getting some good things. So let's go ahead and show you guys what we got. That is a Jordan box that I'm not familiar with. Are you guys familiar with this one? Dudes, maybe not, but the ladies may be so, because this is the Vogue box. And the retail price on these were $220. But I personally couldn't pass these up. So this is a Vogue Women's Air Jordan 3. I felt compelled to buy these after I put them on. Yes, I know they're a little bit sparkly and shiny, but they looked so dope and they were so nice. The quality material, like it's a satin liner inside of here, which is crazy. Satin liner on the inside of the shoe. And then like a nice, really soft plush leather on the tongue. Leather accent around the collar back here. Really crazy branding on the back of the shoe here instead of the Jordan. I don't even know the person's name, honestly. I don't know Vogue that much. So I know that there's the person's name or whatever from Vogue, but it is what it is. I don't really care. I got these because they had them in a size 10.5, which equals a men's 9. And although I normally would have preferred an 11, I tried them on. They fit pretty good with the satin liner. And I gotta be honest, dudes, I don't even care that they're women's shoes. I really, really like them. And so yeah, I ended up scooping up a pair of these, especially for that discount. You can get them for under retail on like StockX and stuff like that. If you guys are interested, I'll link them in the description. And that is the first thing that I ended up getting. Let's move on to the next bag. There's a lot more shoes in this bag. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's 4 pairs here. And first thing is a pair of Off-White Virgil Yeezys. No, so a lot of people were like, what are those? Those are Prestos. So this is actually the like original Presto, or the Presto Essentials as they're calling these ones. And it is pretty much a Presto. And I got a triple white colorway because I want to, as you already know, probably hydro dip these guys. I want to hydro dip this back section here as well as here and see what we can come up with. I think it could look cool on this shoe, maybe even the midsole. I'm not sure quite what I want to do. I think I'm going to do the toe guard and then just this part, the clear plasticky parts, because I know that it will adhere to those better than anything. And maybe even like the little emblem here. I'm not sure, but I think this would be cool, and I'm not sure what print I'm going to do on here. But I've been having fun with the hydro dip, and it doesn't matter if those videos get views or not. It's just something I'm really having fun creating and when I have some free and spare time. And so I'm going to try to create something unique and different out of these. Retail price on these are $120. And then I got them for the discount, which the Nike employee store discount now is only 40% off. So 40% off of 120 is what these ended up costing me. So that was the second pair. This one is a crazy one. I can't believe they actually had these. Like, this is one of those random days that I went. And of course, these are not my size, but I scooped them up for a homie because he is Bigfoot size. And you could see they had shadows, like for real. I don't understand how or why, but they had shadow ones. I guess they've been just dropping some random heat here and there, but they had some giant sizes left, so I was like, I might as well scoop one up for the homie for the price point. And this is one of those shoes that I really think is going to skyrocket in price. Right now is a great time to buy them. They have some sizes like this one, which is a little bit cheaper, but my size has definitely gone up in price. They were lingering around $170, $180, like right around retail, and now they're going well over $200-300. So I feel like this is going to go back way up because it's just such a classic and kind of an essential sneaker out there. And I also ended up getting a pair of Air Maxes in a white gum sole colorway. The way that this is cut out, it honestly looks like I could probably do a pretty cool hydro dip on this one as well. So I thought about it. I walked back and forth numerous times and I figured, you know what, I can just go ahead and try to make this one work. So definitely a lot more tape and panels and stuff like that, but I think that this one could look really cool. depending on whatever print I end up going with. So that was another one I got for the dip. And we have another pair of shoes here, which is probably my favorite new model of 2018 so far. And this is the Pegasus 35 Turbos. Now, this is definitely a performance shoe that a lot of people are like, you can't walk in this shoe. It's a performance shoe only. But unlike the Zoom Fly, which I did a review on, I got flamed for it, which is also for like just running, I guess. This one, though, is amazing for casual. The Zoom Fly was absolutely terrible for me for casual. But this is like my third pair of these. I love these things. But I've been waiting for this pair to hit the employee store because I really wanted just a black and white colorway. So this is the one I got. They also had a blue and orange colorway that I really wanted to do like and remove like this top layer on, because this top layer is like see-through, as you can see here. But I didn't get it because the orange and the blue was just too dominant on the shoe, so it wouldn't have worked very well. But leave some comments if you guys have tried these or not. Some people have had some separation issues back here on the little horn of the shoe. My pair didn't really have that too much on my first pair, at least. So hopefully it still doesn't happen. But love these things. They're so incredibly comfortable. Again, one of my favorite new shoes of the year. And then the last box here, we got 1, 2, 3 pairs of pretty much the same shoe. And so you'll see I went with some Air Force Ones in all white, and you guys know the drill. Like, I want to just practice and get to the point where I can make something look really dope with an Air Force One. So I got one pair, I got another pair, and then I also got a high top pair. So I got one high top and then 2 low tops here for some hydro dips and just to see what's going to go down. I think I could probably do the midsole on these ones. I could probably do the uppers. I could probably just tape off certain things. I'm not sure quite what I'm going to do yet with them. It might take me forever to actually decide to dedicate the time to create it, but at the end of the day, at least I have them ready and in my arsenal, so whenever I have a down moment, I can actually tape things off and get things ready for a hydro dip for these ones. But that is the haul, man. I ended up getting a lot of crazy randomness here. What is like one of the ones that you guys think is the best pickup that I got? The Air Jordan 3s. And I know this is a women's shoe, but again, fire in my opinion. And once I put them on, I was for sure hooked. Big Boys Shadows, again, crazy that they had those. Prestos, something that nobody really even knows anything about. I love the Prestos though. I was kind of saying that jokingly, like I love these from back in the day. I love the original ones. And then some white Air Max 1s, Air Force 1s, and the pegs over here. So that's the haul, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Kind of a crazy little trip to the employee store. Had a lot of fun. Had some stuff in mind, so it made it easier for me to make some purchases. Maybe if I can make some cool enough stuff that you guys like, then I'll just create some for you guys and give them away. That's kind of been my intent from the beginning. But anyway, that is the haul from Nike. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys have a great day. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Notification bell if you guys want to be notified of when the videos go live. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.